Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into a developing story from outer space. That sounds like it's straight out of a Hollywood movie. Imagine being an astronaut, hundreds of kilometers above Earth, ready to come home after a 6-month mission, only to find out your ride back is damaged. That's exactly what happened to 3 Chinese astronauts aboard the Tiangong space station. The crew, Qindong, Chen Zhongrui, and Wang Ji, were supposed to return to Earth on November 5th. They had completed their half-year rotation and were eagerly awaiting their trip home. A new crew had just arrived on November 1st aboard the Shenzhou-21 spacecraft, ready to take over duties. The plan was a smooth handover, with the original crew departing just for days later in their own ship, the Shenzhou-20. But space, as we know, is an unpredictable place. Their return was suddenly delayed for over a week. The astronauts were stranded in orbit, the reason a tiny but terrifying problem. China's Manned Space Engineering Office announced that their return capsule, the Shenzhou-20, had suffered damage. They discovered minor cracks in one of the windows. And the most likely culprit was a collision with space debris. Now, when we say space debris, we're not talking about large, easily trackable objects. We're talking about millions of tiny pieces of space junk zipping around our planet. These can be anything from flecks of paint to old satellite parts. And they travel at incredible speeds, often faster than a bullet. A direct hit from even a small piece can cause catastrophic damage to a spacecraft, posing a huge risk to satellites, space stations, and of course, the astronauts living and working in them. A cracked window on a re-entry capsule is a serious issue. The intense heat and pressure of entering Earth's atmosphere could turn a minor crack into a major disaster. So, with their primary ride home compromised, what was the plan? This is where the quick thinking and resourcefulness of the space program came into play. The new crew had just arrived in a perfectly good spacecraft, the Shenzhou-21. So, Mission Control made a call. The returning astronauts would use the Shenzhou-21 as their lifeboat. They essentially swapped ships. The new crew would stay on the station, and the returning crew would take their spacecraft back to Earth. After the tense delay, the 3 astronauts finally began their journey home, departing the station in the Shenzhou-21. They were headed for a landing in a remote area of Inner Mongolia. Thankfully, the space agency reported that throughout this whole ordeal, the astronauts remained in good condition, working and living normally aboard the station. As for the damaged Shenzhou-20 spacecraft, it's not coming home just yet. It will remain docked at the space station for now. It's unclear what this swap will mean for future missions. China's space program typically launches new crews every 6 months, but this unexpected event might shift the schedule. The space agency has confirmed that the next mission, Shenzhou-22, is still planned, but they haven't given a specific launch date. This incident is a stark reminder of the growing problem of space debris and the dangers astronauts face. It also highlights the incredible progress of China's space program since their first astronaut mission in 2003. They've built their own space station and are aiming to put a person on the moon by 2030. They're even conducting interesting experiments up there, like the 4 mice that arrived with the Shenzhou-21 crew to study the effects of weightlessness. This was a close call that, thanks to a backup plan, ended safely. It's a real-life space drama with a happy ending. What do you think about the growing threat of space debris? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe for more stories from the final frontier. See you next time!